Screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, I will tell you first the background. Yes. About the, as we have discussed about email. So, when we, the data is stored. The when there is a mail server where there is a, I have told you yesterday, there is a mail server. When you send some emails to other one, there is a mail server where is data where your emails is stored. Okay, so data is stored. Data is stored in the in stack form. In stack form. One second. So it is in the stack form. What is the meaning of stack? As you place your clothes in the Almira, like one above one, one above one. So uh, that is a stack. Okay, when you hang your clothes in a in your Almira, that is in the queue. But when you place your clothes one above one, that is in the that is a stack form. So data is saved in the stack form. Okay, so suppose there is a mail server where data is where your emails are stored. So emails are stored um, in stack form one above one. So uh, when you send some emails, when you send your email to someone, then it is a process of LIFO. What is the process? Last in,
Passed out.
first out. Yes, last in, first out. So LIFO is used in data. So there are two protocols. Basically, two protocols are used when you send or receive the emails. To send the email, there is a protocol SMTP. SMTP, and that meaning of SMTP is also push. And when you receive email, that is the that protocol is used POP3. Okay, that is a POP3. Okay, push meaning you are sending your email. That means you are pushing your email to the mail server. Okay, you are pushing your email to the mail server. That means uh, that means push. Okay, that word is used, push. And when you are getting an email from mail server, that means POP3. Okay, pull. You can say like that, pull. Okay, so in briefly we will discuss about SMTP, and first we will discuss about SMTP. What is an SMTP? SMTP is a Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Its full form is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. So it is a standard protocol for sending emails across the internet. Which protocol is used to send the emails? That is the SMTP. Okay, and the default port for SMTP are port 25. You have to remember these port numbers. Okay, this is a default non-encrypted port. Non-encrypted port means where your data can't be corrupt. Okay, data is safe, data is secure. That is the port meaning is the meaning of port. One second, I tell you about what is the meaning of port. Suppose there is a building in the college. At one floor there is a suppose there is a maths room. In second floor there is a science room. In the third floor there is a computer science room. Okay, there are the different professors are sitting in according to their subjects in different rooms. Okay, but you know the address of the college. If you want to talk with your math professor, you will go math. One second. First floor, maths. Second floor, suppose computer science. Third floor, there is a science teacher. your any subject. Okay, so if you know the address of the college, you know the address of the college, and you want to talk with math professor. Okay, you want to talk with math professor, you will go to first floor, you will go to the first floor. So as same like that in uh, mails. Okay, ports, as in the case of port is also, suppose there is a there are different things, yeah, that you can do in your computer. Suppose you can transfer the file, you can send the emails, you can download the file, or you are using Facebook, or you are using Instagram. There are different ports. Each and every application, you can say like that, each and everything has different ports. To suppose there, you know the IP address, as I have discussed about IP address. Suppose who is sender has sorry I you have network has a internet has an IP address to send the information. And if you know the port, if you know the port number, the information will directly goes to that. Suppose there is a email, there is a email, so you want to send some email, so there is a different port. If you are sending there is a file transfer, there is a different port. So in the email, in the case of the email, the for the SMTP, you are sending the email, the port is port 25. These are the well known ports. Well known ports means they are specified for specific work. They are specified for specific work. For secure connections to sending the emails, the port is used 465 and 587. And next is a POP 3. POP 3 stands for Post Office Protocol. Post Office Protocol 3. When you receive the emails, when you receive the emails, which protocol is used? That is Post Office Protocol. Because sometimes questions can ask, sometimes kya, it obviously ask mostly asked question in the exams related to these protocols. So you have to remember, Post Office Protocol is the standard mail protocol used to receive emails from a server, remote server or mail server, to a local email client. Local email client means to say like your Gmail account. This is a local email client. Okay. So the for receiving the emails, which ports are used? Port 110 and port 995. Okay. And IMAP. IMAP is also same as like that, POP 3. I have told you in yesterday class, there are two mails. There are local email clients and there are web mails. Where in web mails, you don't need to install any application. You just web browsing that email, and you can send your email on web. Okay, directly web. You don't need to install any application on your device. So in POP 3 protocol is used for the local email client. The application is stored in your computer, in your device. The protocol is used for POP 3, and IMAP is used for the protocol is used for the web mail. Web mail that are using your that are using when you are using web mail, then the protocol is used for receiving the emails. That is the IMAP. IMAP is the Internet Message Access Protocol, where you don't need to install any application related to email. Okay. So port is used for email. IMAP is the port 143 and port 993. So IMAP is short for Internet Message Access Protocol. With IMAP, the message does not remain on the local device. So remember this point. The message does not remain on the local device, such as a computer. It remains on the server. It remains on the server. You don't your message, as you open your Gmail na, your message is placed on your memory. Your message is placed on your memory. But in the case of a web mail, you don't need to your you don't need of memory. Your mail is present on your mail server. You don't need to download any mail. Your mail is present on your mail server. So which protocol is used to receive the email in web mail? That is IMAP. And in case of POP3, you need a local device to locate your email. Okay. Next is HTTP. HTTP is the very important protocol. When you are web browsing, when you are web surfing, you see na HTTP. I'll tell you. 1 second. As you see, when you or any web browsing, you see HTTP colon and then slash. This is the, and then again www, this is the address. Okay, so this is, you see, this is the protocol. When you need when you are working on the network or internet, this protocol is used. Without this protocol, you can't send your email or you can't receive your email. This protocol is used in network, for networking, for internet. Okay, any network, anything you are connecting, when you, any information you want to connect through internet, this protocol is used. This is the protocol. When you add s, it makes secure. It is an update version of the HTTP. So this is the most important protocol in network, in networking or in internet. This is not an email specific protocol, as it's mentioned in this. This is not an email specific protocol. This is for email access using web based. When you are using internet, then this protocol is used. As you know, without internet, you can't send your email or you can't receive your email. So that's why it is used in also email. Okay. Hotmail or Gmail are the examples of using HTTP. Okay. So this is the most important protocol, port 80. Port 80 is the important port, because it is this protocol is used for networking. So this protocol is used, this port is used for HTTP. Okay. Port 443 is for secure connections, and port 80 is for port secure, means HTTPS, as I have told you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
that code this is difficult non-encrypted code. What does it mean, ma'am?
Non-encrypted port means to say, as you see in your WhatsApp, there is a message is not encrypted. Your message can't read by anyone.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is okay.
Okay, okay.
Yes, last protocol is a MIME. It a multi-purpose internet mail extension protocol. This is a additional protocol. As you see now, you can send emails, video. You can send videos, audios, any PDF file, any text through email. You can send anything through email. Okay, so this protocol is used, like as you know about ASCII. ASCII is a, sorry, this is a American standard, sorry, code for information interchange. Okay, so this is a full form of the ASCII. What ASCII do? ASCII do change, just like your data is in the form of the alphabet or your numeric form, so it converts into bit form. If your information is in text form, it converts into bit form. Okay, bit. So this is a function of the ASCII. So it can be audio, can be video, can be images, can be any form. So this protocol is used when you want to any type of data like audio, you want to send images, you want to send videos. So this protocol is used for that purpose. Okay. So it allows to send multiple attachments with single message. What is the function of the meme is the it allows you can send many attachments, multiple attachments in single message, unlimited length. It provides unlimited length to your uh, email. Okay.
Ma'am, changing text to bit means it will say the how much unit this text contain.
Yes, what are you saying?
Means this Asker you said na this protocol used for changing text to bit.
No, I am just telling about you. ASCII. What is the function of the ASCII? ASCII changes your text into bit form, machine language. But it allows the function of the meme is the it allows non-ASCII data. It can also like your audio, like your videos, like your images. These are not the ASCII now. These are not in the text form. So this data it allows also this type of data. Okay. I'm just telling you about what is the function of ASCII. I'm the it does non-ASCII data. It also allows non-ASCII data which is not in the text form. Audio,
Okay.
yes. Next, we have completed the protocols. So next we will do malwares. It is also important. So what is malware? Malware is the short form for malicious software. Which software has malicious function, malicious intention, malicious intention, that software is called malware. Malware is the, as we have discussed in software, this is the go down of the information, you can say like the go down of the content. Okay. So malware is also the go down of the malicious softwares. Okay. Like instructions, like programs. As you know, software is a set of instructions. Software is a set of programs. A set of program is the set of instructions. So all these instructions are written in the malware. Okay. Because it is a software. So malicious software is a computer program designed to infiltrate and damage computers without the user consent, without user you can say like the user authorization. It damages the computer's data. Okay. Malware is a general term covering all the different types of threats to your computer. These are the general terms are used for the malware, that is a virus, spyware, worms, trojans, rootkits, and so on. These are the different types of malwares. Okay. What are the symptoms for the malware? Malware is a these while these types of malware differ greatly in how they spread and infect computers. So every malware has different types of function, you can say like that. They spread different ways, in different ways. So their speed to spread is in different ways. They can they all can produce similar symptoms. uh, how they can because the function of the malware is to uh, like corrupt the data, to infect the data. Okay. To infect the computer data. So the all symptoms, mostly the symptoms are same. Computers that are infected with malware can exhibit any of the following symptoms, like increased CPU usage. Your your CPU usage will be increased. Computer speed will be slow. Your when you web browsing, when you browsing something, your the processing will be increased. Your processing will be increased. So programs connecting to, when you are when you want to connect with the internet, there are some problems creating freezing. Your data is freezed. Your device becomes hang. It can be crash. Your data, your files can be deleted. Appearance of different types of files will be appear in your device. Okay, these are the symptoms when the malware happens in your computer, on your device. So programs are running, turning off, configuring themselves. So strange computer behavior. Your computer device will be strange behavior differently. Emails, messages being sent automatically without users' knowledge. A friend receives a strange email from you that you didn't send. So these are the symptoms when malware is created in your computer, in your device. These are the preventions and removal we will learn after this. These are the different types of malwares. Okay, what is the first is a virus. Virus is the one second. Virus is the most common type of malware. How is it common? Because as we antivirus, we have listen very. This is a very common name. This is very common name as we know about this. Okay. So what is the full form of the virus? It's the full form is also important. So, one second. Full form of the virus is it's a vital information resources under siege. Under siege. Okay. It self-replicated. It is a self-replicated. Uh, Malware can be as active or it can be passive. How it can be active? It is directly attack on your device. It directly attack on your device. These are those malwares are the active malwares, and those are passive. Those are just watching you, what are you performing on your device, and it can be like that. It can be, suppose malware enters in your computer, uh, in your when you're working on any application, when you're working on any application, it enters in your computer, like I tell you one second. Suppose you are working on any application in the internet, on internet. So any when you download, suppose you download any application. So this type of this type of file will be entered in your computer. You don't know about it. You don't know about it when you're downloading anything or anything on your device. Then then you will see this type, you can't see this type of file automatically will download on your computer. It will reside in your computer. It will not show you. When when you again work on that file, when you open that file, it will, you can say it will create, it will affect on your, it will start effect on your computer, on your device. It will start self-replicating. It will start self-replicating, means to say this file will be consume your space, your memory, your device memory, self-replicating. It needs a host. It means it needs a host. Suppose any file that that you download, it resides on your that file. When you again work on that file, it will start self replicating. It will start affect your computer, on your device. Okay, so it needs a host. It means it needs a host. And but in the case of worm is also like that virus, but worm doesn't need a host. But it just automatically it just enters in your computer and start self replicating. Okay, it is a most common type of virus is the most common type of malware that can execute itself and spread by affecting other programs or files. And what is worm can self replicate without a host. It is without a host program. Virus is with a host program. Okay, it self-replicated with the host program and typically spreads without any interaction from the malware authors. Okay, it don't need any malware authors. It directly interacts. Suppose you are working on your internet. You are working on your internet as you know. I told you. Bas. Suppose it is you. Okay, it is you. You want to send some information to your friend. You want to send some information to your friend. What will happen? There is a network. There is a network. There is a, you can say that there is a path between you and your friend to send the information, and that path is called bandwidth. The space. Suppose there is a road. When you are suppose when you are moving driving on your road, there is a you can say that there is a width of the road where you can drive. So same as like that, there is also a space between you and your friend. There is a space between in your in between your information where you are sending your information. There is a space in which speed or in which time you can send information. That is called bandwidth. How much information and with what which speed you can send information, that is called bandwidth. Okay, the word is used. Bandwidth. Okay, so it worms, what will they do? They will uh, create a traffic. They will create a traffic in between you and your friend. They will not allow to send your information to your friend. They will create a malware, malicious softwares or programs in between you and your friend, so that your data, your information will not send to your friend. The worms are much dangerous than virus. And what is the function of Trojan horse? As you know about, you understand from the word horse. Horse means they are like a, you can, which word you can use? Mm, transport. They can as like a transport. Okay, you are suppose any they get carry the any malware. They carry the malware and it reaches to your computer. It's it suppose there is a horse. You want to uh, you have a horse. You want to send your suppose your luggage on the horse. You want to send your luggage on the horse. So this is this type of transport. So horse carry the malwares. The like worm. It can be worm, it can be virus, it can be spyware, any malware. It carries, and it reaches to your device. It sends to your device, so that uh, malicious functions create on your device. These are also dangerous because they don't work in itself. They don't create malicious functions on your computer. They just carry the different viruses or different types of malicious malwares on itself, and they send they go this reaches to your device, and then the malware software programs creates problem on your device. Okay, so what is the function? Next is the spyware. Spyware is a like a spy who just watching you, who just watching you. How, what are you doing on your PC? What are you doing? Which application are you using? This type of they are just, they are like a passive malwares. They are like a passive. They are just watching you, observe your activity. They observe your activity without their knowledge. So when they get time, or they get the, you can say like that, they get the time, they attack on your device. They just watch. They collect the information and data on the device and users, as well as observes the user activity without their knowledge. Okay, this is a function of spyware. A ransomware, this is also very dangerous. This infects user system and encrypts its data. Cyber criminals, who are cyber criminals, they use this malware. Okay, as you suppose your device is attacked with some virus, attacked with some malware. So when your device is attacked with some malware, they you are victim. Now you become a victim. When you want to open your device, when you want to open your device, uh, it will uh, it will demand some money. It will demand some money from you to run your device. To run your device, it will demand some money. This is the function of the ransomware. Okay, they corrupt your device, they corrupt your data, and it will create like a lock. It will lock your device. It will lock your device. When you want to open your device, you can't open your own device. You can't open your own device when ransomware will attack on your device. If you want to open, they will demand some money from you. Okay, to use your device. This is a function of ransomware. And rootkit. Rootkit is a, as you understand from the root, it it will enter in your device. It will enter in your device and it will attacks from the root. It will attacks from the root. Once you installed, it will it is attacked from the root. So that's why it creates a, it encrypts your whole data. It will encrypts your whole data from the root. It affects your device from the root. This is a function of the rootkit. A backdoor virus or remote access trojan, same as like that Trojan horse. This is a remote access trojan. This affect your device from the back, from the back door. Okay, from the back door, and it will access another other malwares to your to attack your computer. It will access to other malwares to attack on your device. Okay, next is adware. It will attack through the ad. When you click on any as you know, as you if someone is like uh, in a corona time or in any now it's very normal. Someone you listen that someone ask for your like there is a 25 lakhs, you get 25 gets you get you won the lottery of 25 lakhs. Where you need some you want we want some details from you, and you will get some you will get your lottery amount. So when you give some information, uh, they they get your they hack your account, they attack on your device. Okay, this is the function of adware. They attack through the ad. They attack through the they send you some sms, they send you some ads. When you click on them, they uh, they will provide, they will get demand for some small details from you. And when you give some details, it will blank your it will clear your account. Your account will be clear from your side, and you will not understand what happens from with you, what happens with you can't understand. So keyloggers are the are these malware are the watch your keyboard, watch your keyboards, which keys are you are pressing, which keys you are pressing, which like you your pin, your debit pin. They will they will lock your you can say that track your keyboard. They will track your keyboard when you enter some password, any information regarding your account, or any you can say that secured information, any private information. Then they will attack, they will attack sorry track your keyboard, and then they can do anything with your passwords or pins. Okay, as you understand what they can do. Okay, So there are some types of viruses in computer. This is a vital resource, information resources under C's. The first computer virus was Creeper system. First computer virus was Creeper system. Was an experimental self-replicating virus released in 1971. It was released in 1971. Who is the first computer virus in India? This is a brain virus. That is the first virus in India. Okay. So first computer virus in India is a brain virus. It is a boot sector virus because there are so many virus. There are so many names of the virus: boot sector virus, direct action virus, resident virus, multipartite virus, polyformic virus, overwrite virus, space filler virus, file infector virus. There are These are the different types of virus. As you understand from the names, you can understand from the boot sector. Boot sector means to say that all the floppy disks, all your floppy disks were affected by the virus. The boot sector infects the master boot record, where your all data is saved. That affects on that. That spreads on that. That self-replicating on that area, on that part. Okay. So next is the direct action wire. Direct action wire is the dormant on the computer until the file containing the wire is executed. They direct action. They direct attack on that on your computer. Okay. Resident virus. Resident virus inserts itself in a computer system's memory. Resident virus reside on your computer. It is reside on your computer. It tough to remove. This virus is tough to remove on your from your PC. Multipartite virus is a affects on your multiple ways. It can affect on your device through multiple ways. Okay. Polyformic virus is a signature factor. It is hard to be detect. It is hard to be detect. Overwrite is the, as you understand from the, it is it delete all the files. It write it The program is executed. It is overwrite. The program is which is infected, that is overwrite again and again. File infector virus that affects your files. Okay, that attached with your files, like a .com and .exe files that attach and infect your uh, device. Space filler is also cavity virus, as you know about cavity. Okay, it doesn't harm the virus, it just occupies the empty space. Space filler means it occupies your empty space. Okay. Browse hijacker. When you are browsing, they hijack your browser. They hijack your browser. This is a function of and harm your computer. Okay. These are the malwares. Okay. These are important. Sometimes questions are can ask in your computer. Okay. So today we have learnt about the malwares and emails. Now we left with the number system. Okay, only number system are left, and some government related topic that is left. Only two topics are left, then our ICT is completed. Okay. So if you want to ask any question, please.